In this lecture, we are going to discuss CSS syntax. A CSS rule set contains a selector and a declaration block. Here this is nothing but a CSS syntax. We may place a number of selectors in a one area. So here, what is selector? Selector is nothing but a tag name. So h1, paragraph, and like image. So what are the HTML tags are available, and we treated that all are as a selector. Not only that, there are plenty other selectors also available like ID, class, and universal and dot. The plenty selectors are available, and we discussed that all are in later. So this selector contain one block, and this block may contain set of rules, set of properties and values. So here, just observe here, this is a property 1 and property 2, means we provide HTML. So before we focus on this property and value, as per HTML5, the maximum attributes are removed, deprecated from HTML5, and there is one drawback is there, and some special tags. Suppose h1 tag supporting only in HTML, h1 tag supporting only specific attributes, specified attributes only it would be supported, right? But here this is a property is nothing but attribute of HTML. Property is nothing but attribute of HTML. We may provide multiple properties, multiple attribute values to HTML tag. With the help of selector, we provide multiple property values, multiple attribute values to provide particular element. Not only particular element, we can share these all properties to group of selectors. And one selector is allowing multiple property values. With the help of CSS, we achieve this. We get this feature. So here, this is syntax, very sample syntax. We discuss these properties in another time. This color is nothing but a property name. This color is nothing but a property name, and green is a value. Green is a value and color is a property. And here each and every set is separated by semicolon, and color is one property, font family, text align, font size, and font weight. These all are font properties, and each and every property having different values, not a single value. It's contains different values. We focus on one by one in further classes. Right now we focus these only. So how many ways we can implement, like how many ways we can provide the selector name, like one tag name, single tag name, and multiple tags with a common properties, and we can provide particular ID to the particular element, and we are providing multiple tags are having common class name and universal selector. So how we are implementing this basic selector, right? Basic properties. We are not focusing in depthly. Right now we focus how we place these selectors, how we place selectors. That's enough, and we are focusing only couple of properties only. So open Visual Studio Code, and I was choosing one of the sample document. This is a sample document. Here I am taking, where is a live port, and go live. This is our document. Just you observe here, p tag. Just I am using here one p tag and a lorem. Lorem is nothing but sample code, sample text, rough text, and this is a paragraph. And I want to use the h1 tag, h1 fs with SRIKANTH, right? H1 tag, and I want to use one more tag, like another paragraph, right? Another paragraph, lorem. So we are taking two paragraph and one h1 tag. Just observe, I want to add some properties to this element. So how we place this properties and values, where we want to place. So in three ways we can provide, we are attaching these properties and values. So right now, just how we are getting the result, that's only we focus, right? So with the help of style tag, we place all these elements. So what is a tag name? What is our syntax? Just observe. These are syntax, selector and properties and values. Just observe the first one, selector. What is the tag name? P tag. Just observe p tag, and this is our browser. P tag. I want to provide color. I want to place brown color, right? What happens? Automatically it infected two tags very speedily, right? Then I want to write background color background color, so blue, black, suppose this is a black color. So automatically it implemented. Then I am using one more selector H1, and here I want to place directly background color aqua. So just observe this is aqua, and color, so this is my color, right? So what happens here, just there is this body tag containing 3 tags, paragraph and h1 and p, right? Paragraph and 2 paragraph tags and 1 h1 tag. So with the help of paragraph selector, paragraph, this is nothing but tag name, and we are attaching 2 properties, color and background. Automatically it infected, right? These 2 paragraphs and h1 tag. But here I want to add multiple paragraphs. What happens? Just observe here. I want to add one more paragraph. So welcome to CSS. What happens? Automatically the existing properties will be attached. This is one more benefit. Here, why should I want to place all are similar, right? Just observe, I am using color and background similar, right? Same properties but different values. But I want to place this all in one area. I don't want to use this all, right? Just observe, with the help of P1, P tag, and just you add H1. Then automatically all tags are invented, right? Suppose I want to place all elements, just observe star, nothing. Every tag is this a universal. Every tag having this. Every tag. Suppose inline you can apply here style, background color, yellow. Then what happens? That is different. What happens? This body tag, where the body tag is there, that would be changed, but the elements are so this is universal. Automatically it infected. Suppose a P comma H1, this is a one way. Where is P tag? Why? The background black, right? This is RGB way. Automatically the color would be changed, right? So here, suppose I have I have 10 paragraphs, 5 paragraphs. Suppose I have 5 paragraphs. So here I want to write I am para 1. Para 2, para 3, para 4. Total how many paragraphs? We have 5 paragraphs. But I don't want to write this one. If in case when I am using this property, all paragraphs are affected. But my requirement, I want to add I want to add particular properties to particular paragraph. Paragraph to paragraph, I want to different, right? So here, paragraph to paragraph, I want to change. Paragraph to paragraph, I want to change the color. For that, I am using class attribute. Just observe class green, and this class green I want to add for 1 and 5. And the second class I am using blue. And third class yellow, and Fourth class is also blue. So 2 green and 2 blue and 1 yellow, right? Here I am using class attribute here. Class attribute. Just observe, with the help of class name we add some properties to here. Just class name with the help of dot we did that, and style tag contain we provide different selectors, right? Dot, what is our class name? Green. Suppose when I am providing paragraph, so color, so here I am using one color. Automatically all are infected. But I want to change this dot class. So what is the class name? Green. Color green. Then what happens? The color will be changed. One para and paragraph 1, paragraph 2 will be affected, and remaining will be aquaremania, right? So one more class is there. Dot blue color, blue class. What happens here? I want to add color blue. So automatically 2 paragraphs will be affected, and one more paragraph is there, that is yellow. So yellow property, yellow class name, and here I am using color yellow. And don't confuse, the class name is only yellow. Here you want to add different color, right? Red also. So that is a class name. Yellow is a class name, right? So what we are using here? Yellow. So yellow green, right? These are one different color. So all are different. Yellow color. So it will be changed. So I want to add background, right? Background color, and just it would be affected. Again here I want to add one more, this background color. So all paragraphs are infected, right? Not only this green and blue, it affected all, right? But I want to add this only for green class, then it would be changed. So with the help of class attribute, what happens? So we can differentiate. With the help of tag name, all are having similar properties. With the help of class, selective tags will be affected for selective properties and values. That is a class. But I want to add one unique in this, again multi paragraphs are there, but in there I want to add one ID. It is a ID is a very unique one. ID is yellow. Just observe here the similar one, but hash. Automatically IDs are called with the help of hash, and classes are dot. Class are called with a dot. Just you observe here, class, and when we compare with the class and IDs are unique and class are not unique. We are placing this class value, similar class green, for another paragraph, right? But ID is for unique one. We never place this ID yellow for any other element. Only one time you want to place here. Now in this lecture we are discussing very basic lectures, right? Very basic, how we are implementing these properties and values. And one thing, and just we are how we write these properties, right? And we are not in depthly we are not discussing, just syntax level only we are discussing. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.